Hey, what's going on guys, it's Jericho and welcome to my first video on this channel, and today I would like to show you guys how to replace the battery on any modern Volkswagen Key. If your key looks like this, i.e. you have a Golf Mk6, Polo Mk6 or any other major new Volkswagen vehicles, then you can follow this tutorial. Your key blade itself may actually look different because on the Polo the key is facing like this, but on the Golf it's actually like that. So that's fine, they all use the same plastic case anyway. So what you need to do is first unfold the blade so it's in this position and flip the key over, and you can see this black cutout. If you look at the portion of the key where the blade sits, there's a little shape like right there, and just take your thumb. It's a bit difficult the first time, and just pop it out. As you can see, it's popped out a little bit and it's no longer flush with the casing. And just work down the side of the key with your fingernail or flathead screwdriver if you can't do it, but after a couple of times it does loosen up. And the rear door should look like this, with its little rubber ring to protect the battery from dirt and water. And as you can see, here is the 2032 type battery. So it is CR2032. So if you need to replace the battery and you don't know what type, write this down, go to your local shop, sell on Amazon or stores like Poundland or your local supermarket, stock these batteries, they're very common. To remove the battery you're going to need a small screwdriver, as there's a tiny notch. Let me get it in focus. There's a tiny notch here. If you can fit your fingernail in there, then do so, but just take the smallest flathead screwdriver, pop it underneath the battery, and it'll fall out like so. Take your dead battery, put it aside, and this is what your key should look like without the battery. Take your new one and simply just slide it in here and push it down. Test it, press the lock button. If it lights up, then you're good. Be careful not to unlock your car, and take the back of the key, simply pop it in like so, this side first, and then give it a squeeze in until it clicks. And that is how you replace the battery on a Volkswagen Key. So you've saved a bit of money, so you don't need to send it to a dealer, and you can do it yourself at home in under 2 minutes. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, comment for any recommendations or feedback, as this is my first video. Hope you guys enjoyed. This has been Jericho, and thanks for watching.